Yo, what's good everyone? It's your boy Rack back at it again. Today we're gonna know if the Genesis Sedan is really fast or not. Kind of a review, kind of not, but you know what I mean. It is what it is. 2009 Genesis Sedan. It has the 4.6 with 375 horsepower. The 2011, I think till like 13, they come with the same engine, but tuned a little bit more. It makes 385, 10 horsepower more, but I mean 10 horsepower is not really much. So it is kind of dirty though. Don't mind that. I haven't watched it for a while. It's been raining and snowing here in Ohio. I said 4.6, like y'all see over there. So mine has an intake, a catch can, and a muffler delete. About it. It is making about, like I'm guessing, 350 wheel to like 340, 330. Nothing less. Sitting on some all-season tires. They grip very well. And it has big brakes in the front, which I think all of them do, but not the 3.8. Has smaller brakes in the front. So I mean, yeah, like, is it really fast? Is it really worth the money? So the market for them right now, I mean, if you find a clean one with lower mileage, about 10K, about 13K, but above 100K, they're right about like 7K, 8K, 9K at most. So yeah, I mean, it's a great car. It's a sedan. It's luxury. I'm gonna show you guys how fast it is. I mean, it's good. It's good for what it is. That's what I'm trying to say. It's fast enough, if you know what I mean. I mean, yeah, that's about it. All I got on it. Thinking about doing a straight pipe, 3-inch, but you know what I mean. Gotta get the financial support. You feel me? Gonna do a 0 to 60, 40 to like 80. I don't know. We'll see. Put you guys in a video. It was me and my buddy against his 2012 Genesis Sedan. It has the 8-speed. This one has the 6-speed. Has the 8-speed automatic transmission, and it has 385 from the factory. 10 horsepower more. I mean, she did well. Does have a throttle controller, so that's kind of why I beat him. If I didn't have it, it would be neck to neck. Beat him or anything would just be neck to neck. The only thing that makes it great is the throttle controller. Without it, the car is shit. So yeah, let's just get right into the video, guys. I mean, it's really good for what it is. It has really good features. I'm gonna put the timer on the screen, how long it takes for it. Flip into manual mode. Get up to like 1.5. Yeah, that was fast as fuck. I mean, yeah, like I told you guys, it's a really fun and fast car. It's really practical. It has 4 doors for more horrors, if you know what I mean. And it's really a fun car. Now with the right mods, because the aftermarket support is literally shit on these cars. There's jack nothing. Almost everything you have to make it custom or get it to a professional shop to do it. But you know, there's bits and stuff here and there if you could find it. Now the intake that I have, it's aftermarket. I made a video about it that long ago. 60 right here. Get up to 40. Put it in manual mode. 1, 2, 3. Now it was kind of slow because I could have downshifted to the lowest gear instead of letting it downshift, but you know, still good. And right here is the throttle controller I was talking about. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have a 1.9 right now. 1.9 is basically comfort. I already said this in another video. These are like that was the first mod that I did to this car, because the throttle lag is horrible. It's horrible. This is the best driver mod out there. I'm just saying. Makes the car really drivable. You can have fun with it, and you match the throttle, you go. You don't have to wait until fucking relocate the shit or whatever. Whatever. But I mean, yeah, like it's a good car. It is fast. Take it from me, it's fast as fuck, boy. It is fast. And you know, yeah. And comparable to like other cars, like the G37 sedan, it has a 3.7. This one has a 4.6. It's faster than, like, stock wise, it is faster than the G37 sedan. I mean, it's faster than other vehicles, like, for sure, like other sport luxury vehicles. And it really handles great. I mean, mine is it's been beaten up. The last owner did not take care of it. But it handles great. If you can find a good one that's not been abused and used to its last potential, you know what I mean? If you can find a good one, I would say just pull the trigger, go ahead and buy it. It's a really great car. And we'll do another 40 to 60 right here. We'll downshift. I mean, yeah, like, considering the weight, it weighs right around 4,100 pounds. It's not horrible, but it's like not too heavy, not too light, but it's, you know, it's good. It has a good engine. It keeps up with most cars. It beats RTs, G37s. I mean, yeah, like it beats most cars. No, the 0 to 60 is not gonna be 100% because I don't have like something to actually test it with. Like, I don't have a draggy or anything. I was gonna put a timer up on the screen and see how long it takes to get from 0 to 60. And yeah. Now here's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. And to answer the question, is the Genesis Sedan 4.6 really fast? And yes, it is. It has plenty of power. It's fast. What it is, it's, you know, it's a sedan. It's a practical luxury sedan, and it's fast too. So it's, you know what I mean, like it's a nice car. So like I said, it's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace.